Hi, friends. Welcome back to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. In this exciting exploration, we will dive into the innovative concept of combining multiple livestock species within a single farming system. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the new updates. Integrated dairy, goat, and poultry farming sheds bring together the best of multiple livestock worlds. This holistic approach harnesses the unique characteristics of each species, creating a symbiotic relationship that maximizes efficiency, minimizes waste, and promotes overall farm sustainability. By integrating dairy cows, goats, and poultry in a shared environment, farmers can enjoy a range of benefits. First and foremost, milk production can be optimized by utilizing the specialized milk-producing capacity of cows and goats. This allows for a diverse range of dairy products to be produced on the same farm. Poultry, such as chickens or ducks, play a crucial role in an integrated farming system. They help control pests, such as insects and rodents, reducing the need for chemical interventions. Additionally, their droppings enrich the soil with valuable nutrients, benefiting the overall health of the farming ecosystem. Goats, known for their browsing behavior, are excellent at utilizing plants that cows may not readily consume. This reduces feed costs and helps manage vegetation on the farm. Moreover, goats can contribute to the production of high-quality goat milk and other goat milk products, further diversifying the farm's offerings. One of the remarkable aspects of integrated farming is the efficient recycling of waste. Animal manure can be collected and transformed into nutrient-rich compost. This compost can then be used as organic fertilizer, providing natural nourishment to the crops and pastures, promoting soil health, and reducing reliance on synthetic fertilizers. Integrated farming often incorporates a rotational grazing system, where different livestock species take turns grazing on designated areas. This practice helps optimize pasture management, prevents overgrazing, and promotes regrowth, ensuring a sustainable supply of fresh forage for all the animals. An integrated farming shed also benefits animal welfare. By providing a diverse environment with ample space, fresh air, and access to pasture, the animals experience improved well-being, reducing stress and promoting healthier growth. From a business perspective, an integrated farming shed offers multiple revenue streams. Farmers can market a wide array of products, including milk, cheese, eggs, poultry meat, and more. This diversification helps increase farm income and strengthens its economic resilience. Integrated dairy, goat, and poultry farming sheds exemplify the power of synergy in agriculture. By combining the strengths of different livestock species, farmers can create a harmonious and sustainable farming ecosystem. It's an inspiring model that showcases the potential for efficient, ethical, and environmentally friendly food production. Thank you for watching. Please like and share the video with your friends. And subscribe to our channel, Discover Agriculture.